Did you know at YouGarden, we have got a fantastic selection of grow your own fruit and veg. And we're not talking seeds, we're talking plug plants, established plants, bare root fruit trees, grown on fruit trees like these stunning plums. And what I love is many of the varieties you can grow in really small spaces. We've got a raspberry, for example, called raspberry lowberry, baby dwarf. And it's a tiny raspberry plant that only grows to about 50 by 50 centimetres. We've got a blackberry cascade, that is thornless, and it trails, so you can even grow it in a hanging basket. If you love your oranges and lemons and limes, we've got an outstanding Mediterranean section of fruit trees, citrus trees that are just adorable. And we've got varieties of strawberries like the Everbearer that will fruit all summer long, giving you strawberries for 4 months of the year. So here at YouGarden, when we see gardening for everyone, we really mean it. No matter how small your outside space is, we've got fruit and vegetables that you can grow, even potatoes, for example, in our heavy-duty pots. And that means food meters, not food miles.